Arguments in the appeal case of the December 21, 2018 vote were today heard in the Court of Appeal.
Maintaining that Acting Chief Justice Roxanne George erred in her January 31 ruling, Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Basil Williams today argued that the CJ did not read the Constitution in full. The AG continued arguments before Acting Chancellor of the Judiciary Janet Cummings Edwards and appellate judges Justices Rishi Prasad and Don Gregory Barnes in the application for an interim stay of the Chief Justice's ruling of January 31 and a conservatory order preserving the status quo ante. According to the AG, it was clear that the acting CJ did not consider together Articles 1066 and 1067 before she made her judgment.
I dealt with the question of the resignation of cabinet on the night of the vote, and of course this question about the president and ministers couldn't be in office after the expiration of the 3 months. And you see, I've shown authorities that that is not in fact so.
Addressing Articles 1066 and 7 of the Constitution, the Attorney General submitted that the court gives regard to the Cabinet and its members. He said that there is no way the Cabinet can resign, as it remains one of the three organs of democracy. More than that, Cabinet, he said, is a trigger for government expenditure. It also has a responsibility to Parliament. The arguments on government's behalf were supported by legal luminary, former Attorney General of Grenada, and now senior lecturer, University of the West Indies, Cave Hill, Dr. Francis Raphael Alexis. He had much to say about the case.
I like the point about whether a vote of confidence is one and the same as a vote of no confidence. That's very interesting. The Attorney General is highlighting issues that need to be addressed on an occasion like this. For example, what is the role of the cabinet? And more particularly, how is the state going to be run if the cabinet can't bring financial measures to the assembly? All of these are very weighty issues, and Guyana is opening the eyes of the world, certainly of the Commonwealth, as to what issues can arise when a country, a young country like Guyana, is charting its own way constitutionally.
The Attorney General versus the Speaker and Opposition Leader case will hear more arguments on Wednesday at the Court of Appeal. Reporting for InfoHub, Alexis Rodney.